spillsidene.no.
Once upon a time there were 3 billy goats who wanted to go up to the mountain pasture to fatten themselves up, and all 3 were named Billy Goat Gruff. On the way, there was a bridge over a roaring river that they had to cross, and under that bridge lived a big, ugly troll with eyes as large as tin plates and a nose as long as a rake handle. First came the youngest Billy Goat Gruff, and wanted to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that trip-trapping on my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it's the smallest Billy Goat Gruff. I'm going to the mountain pasture to make myself fat," said the goat with a sweet little voice. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," said the troll. "Oh, no, don't take me. I'm so little. Just wait a bit, then the middle Billy Goat Gruff will come along. He's much bigger." "Well, be off with you then," said the troll. A short while later, the middle Billy Goat Gruff came to the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that trip-trapping on my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it's the middle Billy Goat Gruff going to the mountain pasture to get fat," said the goat. His voice wasn't quite as fine. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," said the troll. "Oh, no, don't take me. Just wait a bit. Then the big Billy Goat Gruff will come. He's much, much bigger." "Well, be off with you then, too," said the troll. After a while, the big Billy Goat Gruff came. A trip-trap, went the bridge. It creaked and groaned under his weight. "Who's that stomping on my bridge?" roared the troll. "It is the big Billy Goat Gruff," said the goat, in a deep and rough voice. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," screamed the troll. "Just try it. I've got 2 horns like spears, and I'll poke your eyes out. I've got 2 big boulders, and I'll crush both marrow and bone," said the goat. And then he charged at the troll and gouged out his eyes, crushed him to pieces, and tossed him into the waterfall. Then he went up to the mountain pasture. There the billy goats got so fat that they could barely walk home again. And if the fat hasn't fallen off them, they're still up there. And snip, snap, snout, this tail is out.
For flere norske eventyr, besøk eventyrene.no.